Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You have what you need: OS updated, account credentials, and a subscription decision. First, open the Microsoft Store on Windows or App Store on Mac OS. Search for Outlook and select the official Microsoft Outlook app. Avoid third-party clients. Once you tap Install or Get, monitor progress and sign in when prompted. If you chose Microsoft 365, use the same account for activation. Make sure to accept requested permissions so Calendar and Contacts sync properly. Once Outlook opens, choose Add Account and enter your email address. Outlook often auto-detects settings. If auto fails, select Manual Setup and pick Exchange, IMAP, or POP3, then input incoming/outgoing server ports and encryption type. Why? Correct protocols ensure folder and flag sync. After signing in, grant permission for Calendar and Contacts. Make sure sync is set to push or the shortest interval you need. Finally, give Outlook time to download mail and build the search index. To finish, personalize notifications, set a signature, and enable focused inbox if desired so your workflow is efficient. Once done, test sending and receiving with a small email and verify calendar entries sync. If mail fails to sync, go to Account Settings and run Repair or Remove and re-add the account. Why? Repairs refresh authentication and server mappings. If Outlook won't start, clear the app cache, update the app, or reinstall. That single troubleshooting step resolves most persistent problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.